We are pleased to show you the 2022 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.